I'm Tim Gandolfo. Welcome to Apex Equipment Sales. We're down here in West Palm Beach, Florida. We're here to introduce to you today the Rotobec 910 Elite Load and Go, which is featured right behind me. Some of the biggest takeaways of this loader are its low entry height and its compact shape and design. We have the ability to get into lower areas, shorter areas with a tighter turning radius. The Rotobec Load and Go will be available in either a single axle, tandem, or tri-axle truck, so you'll have a GVWR range from 33,000 to 80,000 pounds. The loader has a lifting capacity over 8,500 pounds with a boom extension reach of 24 feet. What that gives us the ability to do is reach out further than the competition, grab heavier items, pull them and load them out. We're able to operate from both sides of this unit, so we can switch with just a switch of a button to switch controls from the driver's side to the passenger side. We've ergonomically designed this loader to minimize the amount of time that it takes you to walk around and operate the unit. With just a simple steps, including armrest controls for ergonomic operation, we have the ability to go from the driver's side, switch up, and walk over, hit a button, and now we can operate the passenger side. From a maintenance standpoint, Rotobec has made it very simple to maintain this loader. If you look up here, we have a universal grease rack where we can go and grease every part on this turret and A-frame from one spot. Our dump body, which is built by Rock and installed by Apex Equipment, is 31 yards, all AR 450 Brental steel, and has the ability to dump from the operator standpoint right here. One of the most common concerns that customers have in going in with the new loader that's new to the industry is the durability or the wearability, or how long this product's gonna last and be good. Rotobec solved that issue by not creating a completely new loader, but by re-engineering a current in-model long-duty durable life unit. The 910 loader has been in the industry for over 10 years, and before that the Elite 80 XT for almost 20. The same standard operational features are available on the 910 Load and Go standard. A 360-degree continuous rotation operation as the grapple and the slew. The slew is awarded with locks to prevent front end cab damage, which are resettable by design. Apex Equipment and Rotobec are committed to delivering high quality upfits that last and stand the test of time. Some of the things that we do to ensure this, on the Rotobec side, you'll notice that every cylinder uses a 5-inch bore and has front head glands that are bolted to the front. What this allows is easy maintenance, operability, and repairability. Apex Equipment provides an electrical control interface box, which has a full schematic, a full diagram of how we power your loader from the chassis side to the loader side. Oftentimes, there's a big link in between how we get power and how it's supplied without any instructions on how to repair it. At Apex Equipment, when you purchase your Load and Go, when you open this box, you'll have a full schematic deriving where PTO power comes from, where signal comes from, where your solenoid gets its power, and where your fuse box is getting its power, along with a resettable circuit breaker inside the box. One of the big changes that we're seeing in the municipal market is a focus on safety. Rotobec's thought about that ahead of time, and every unit, regardless of its price and level, is awarded with a beacon light, a boom up alarm sensor to let you know that your boom's not sitting at rest. Multiple safety spots and emergency shutoffs for when we need and we have an accident or an emergency and we need to stop power. We can do so multiple ways, simply by slamming down the emergency power button or by lifting the armrest bar. Rock Bodies builds an incredible body. All AR 450 Brental steel, completely wrapped, welded, certified, x-rayed, light, durable, long-lasting. At 31 yards, this body has both the capacity and the lighter weight to be able to move more loads, especially on the single axle application, which standardly has a lower payload than your tandem or your tri-axle trucks. A short demonstration on how we start and operate the loader. PTO is already engaged. We climb up at 3 points of contact. The first thing we want to do to operate our loader is to go ahead and make sure that both armrest sensors are down. We have it on both sides. This is our operational control. When we're over here, we have passenger side operation. Neutral controls, nothing. Driver side controls. You also have an emergency stop switch right here. We want to make sure that that is depressed. 2 outrigger legs on either side. pop those down. Just like with the 910, our left hand handles the main boom and our right hand handles the tip boom. With push button controls to open and close, with rapid control setting and centers, we have the ability to do multiple functions with just 2 handles. Your dump valve is in the center of your body. We have 2 options available for the dump body. The Venco hoist is pitcher, and in Q1 2025, we will have a 4-stage front dump cylinder rated at 40 tons. There are multiple sizes of grapples available for the 910 loader, just as there are with the 910 standard operation mount. You'll see when I'm about done here, the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and make sure that I'm bringing up out for your legs. Multiple ways you can stop the actual PTL from operating the loader. The electrical lockout will do it here. We lose our loader. As soon as we put that in, we gain our loader back. As well as the emergency stop. As soon as we release, we gather our power back. One of the advantages here is I actually never have to go to the ground with this application. And that's all, folks.